What's up guys? So Samsung S11's new camera features have been found by the folks at XDA, most prominently by Max, who says this camera will beat iPhone 11 Pro both in photography and video recording. They came across this while digging through the Samsung camera app in One UI 2.0 Beta 4. It turns out that all the rumors regarding the stunning camera features are true. Samsung is working towards introducing a lot of interesting changes to the camera of S11, and thanks to XDA's APK teardown of the camera application, we now know exactly what Samsung is currently working on. The code snippets led further weight to the rumors flying around that claims the Galaxy S11 will have a 108 megapixel camera. Apparently this wouldn't be the same sensor that the South Korean giant co-created with Xiaomi, but a new iteration of it. On top of that, the phone is also tipped to offer a 5x optical zoom, along with an unprecedented camera system that we should all get excited about. Now let's see what features it packs according to the teardown of the camera application. Starting with the first one, which is the 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. It's found that support for the 8K video recording has been added in the One UI 2.0 Beta 4 update. This isn't surprising given the fact that the latest Exynos 990 and the upcoming Snapdragon 865 SoC have support for 8K recording at 30 frames per second. As of now, there is no Samsung phone that can achieve this feat, so it's safe to say this feature is for the Galaxy S11's camera. In order for a camera to capture higher pixels, the camera must have a higher pixel count, and keeping that in mind, Samsung is planning a huge 108 megapixel camera sensor, which means this time we have got both the processor as well as the camera sensor, which will make the S11 capable of recording 8K video at 30 frames per second. In addition, the Galaxy S11 and S11 Plus will come with a plethora of other camera features as well. Let's start with the director's view. Apparently, it will allow you to lock on a subject in a frame and change who's in the close-up. This feature also allows you to record from multiple camera lenses simultaneously, something that the Filmic Pro app makes possible on the iPhone 11 Pro. Basically, the phone will record videos with all the camera lenses at the same time, be it the regular or wide angle, all at the same time, giving you access to wide range of video options. Obviously, while recording with multiple cameras, it will take a lot of storage space, but Samsung already got that covered by giving a huge amount of internal storage, so there is no problem there. The next mode that is mentioned is single take photo. This feature will let you capture the scene in a series of pictures and short videos. You'll capture one by panning your phone around in a slow and steady motion for 15 seconds. After you capture everything, the phone processes all the photos and videos, and you'll be able to see the collection of what you just took. Next, we have Hyperlapse. Just to clarify, if you don't know what it means by Hyperlapse, it's similar to time-lapse. You take large number of photos while having freedom of moving your phone and later make it into a 3D time-lapse video. But in time-lapse, you cannot move while taking photos, just take as many photos as you want and make it into a video. So basically, it's a combination of existing hyperlapse and night modes. So now you'll be able to record those crazy night videos that you have seen before. Interestingly, there is a description which says to hold the device steady to get the best result, which sounds like a time lapse rather than a hyperlapse. But in any case, I guess we will soon find enough. Next, we have vertical panorama. Instead of horizontal panorama, which is commonly found in phones, Samsung is going with a vertical panorama. There is nothing to get excited about. And lastly, we have the option of custom filters, which I think will let you make your own filters, copy those filters to another photo or video and make changes as you like. So these are the upcoming camera features of Galaxy S11 family. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one. Peace out.